Dear friends, do you also wonder why Sociology optional has become a top choice for UPSC toppers? With consistent scores of 300 plus, Sociology offers a secure path to success. But what has been your score lately? You know, and you too might have faced either or all the three major roadblocks in Sociology optional preparation, like score stagnation. Many students struggle to surpass the 260 plus marks barrier despite consistent efforts. Time limitations. The heavy emphasis on general studies often results in insufficient time for focused preparation of the optional subject. Content distinction. It can be difficult to identify unique and valuable insights that make your answers stand out. Well, at Forum IAS, we understand that one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work. And that is why we have come up with two parallel processes for optional preparation. These are the Augmented Test Series and the Optional Answer Writing Focus Group. Now let's dive into the details and see how these programs are going to help you. The ATS is perfect for students who have a solid grasp of the subject basics. Real-time experience. Our tests mirror the pattern and challenges of the real-time exam situation. Insightful feedback. Benefit from tailored evaluation and constructive feedback from our expert faculty team. Content enrichment. Dive into discussions that include valuable case studies and latest developments to elevate your understanding. In the OAWFG, the syllabus is divided into 36 tests conducted every alternate day, making it ideal for first-time learners. Active assessment. Students prepare for each test and evaluate their understanding by answering 3 to 5 questions. In-depth discussions. Post-test discussions enhance conceptual clarity and enrich content with relevant case studies and recent developments. Also, dedicated mentorship by faculty is available with both the programs. They will help you understand feedback, clear your roadblocks, clear your doubts, and keep you oriented on your goals. So start early, join today to have a disciplined, differentiated, and consolidated preparation.